Okay, sorry about that. So let's talk about the solution here. All right, so let's write out our equation. We always have to make sure that we do that. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now let's input some numbers. So we're going to input, I'm going to do a squared as 8, so 8 squared, and 15 squared as b equals c squared. 8 times 8 is 64, plus 15 times 15 is 225, which gives me c squared, right? Add them up together now. So I've got 289 equals c squared. In order to get rid of that squared, I have to, that's right, find the square root of 289. So c equals the square root of 289. When I break that down, c equals 17. A great way of checking if I'm correct, if it's 17 centimeters, is number one, just eyeballing it. Is this number larger than the other two legs? If it is, then I know that I'm on the right track to having the hypotenuse. Now you could do the following, right? You could input these to double check. I could over here, I could rewrite it as, 8 squared plus 15 squared equals 17 squared. Well, I'm just going to do the math all over again. 225, 17 squared is 289. 64 plus 225 is 289. And if my two sides equal out, then I know that then it's correct. So those are two very simple ways of doing it. Okay, so that was kind of the knowledge section of it. We're going to try one more knowledge piece that I'd like you to think about, and you're going to try to solve it on your own. So just give me 1 second to get on board. So we've been dealing with a lot of triangles here, but I want you to understand that we can also deal with Pythagorean relationships within a rectangle. And the reason that we know that is why. Well, we know that if we cut a rectangle right down the middle, which I hopefully will do, we will get two right angle triangles. Now, the nice thing about these two right angle triangles is that they share the same hypotenuse, right? So this hypotenuse is shared by both triangles. So if I were to tell you that this leg was 10 centimeters and this leg was 6 centimeters, I'd like you to solve for, sorry, I don't know why I put D there. I'd like you to solve for C, or the hypotenuse. Okay, so once again, 10 centimeters, 6 centimeters, pause this video and please go and solve this. Okay, so you're back. We are going to solve this together to see how you guys did. So again, we always start with the a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So let's insert some numbers. 6 squared plus 10 squared equals c squared. 36 plus 100 equals c squared. 136 equals c squared. C equals the square root of 136. Now, what's the answer to this? In order for you to get that answer, I want you to send it in the comments of the Google Classroom. I would like to know what C is, and I want you to post it onto Google Classroom for me. Okay, so that's the end of the knowledge section. We're going to take a break. We're going to end the video here. You can go to the next video to kind of see the application section. There is a video I'd like you to watch, so please make sure you do that.